Hey guys, in this video I wanted to walk you through the process on how you go about pre-ordering Starlink. It just came up on Starlink's website today where it now says Starlink is available to a limited number of users per coverage area at this time. Orders will be fulfilled on a first come, first served basis. So the earlier you put this order in, you can reserve your place in line in front of others and you have a better shot at getting in to the Starlink program. So what you want to do is enter in the email that you want associated with your Starlink account, and then you're going to enter in your service address down here. And once you start typing in your service address, you'll get a drop-down menu that recommends certain addresses based on what you're typing in. So as soon as you see your address pop up in the drop-down menu, just click on it. And then once you have your email and your service address entered, what you want to do is click on where it says Order Now. So then it's going to take you over to this order page where it's going to list your address, and then it's going to have the hardware price, which is currently $499, and then the service price, which is currently listed at $99 per month. The shipping and handling cost is $50, and the tax on that for me is $32.94. And then due today is going to be $99, and this is fully refundable. It's actually kind of similar to when I pre-ordered a Cybertruck where I had to put like $100 down, fully refundable, essentially just holding your place in line for that product. And it says here, depending on location, some orders may take 6 months or more to fulfill. Placing a deposit does not guarantee service. The earlier you order, the sooner you can put your place in line, the higher the likelihood that you can get into the Starlink program. So then you scroll down and you see service information. You enter in your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email, and then the shipping information. It's going to automatically enter in the address that you had entered in earlier, but if you need to change this, you can change it by clicking on this little pencil to edit it over here on the side. And then you'll scroll down to find the billing information. You just enter in your credit card information or your debit card information, for instance. You put in your name as it appears on the card, the billing zip or postal code, the credit card number, the month and year of expiration, and the CVV. And then again, that $99 is due today, and this is just going to hold your place in line, and this is a refundable deposit that you are putting on this. And then after you check over and agree to the pre-order terms and privacy policy, and you can also take a look at the frequently asked questions down here. Be sure to check that out. And if everything looks good at that point, you can go ahead and place your order. And then at this point, your order should be confirmed. And just to double check that your order is confirmed, Starlink is going to send you an email to the email that you had entered in at the beginning of the order process. And this is what the email looks like. It says order confirmed. It'll have your order number, the service address, and shipping address below that. And then the email reads, Starlink will begin offering service in your area beginning, and it's just going to depend on your area. This could be a little bit different, but for me it says mid to late 2021. Orders will be fulfilled on a first come, first served basis. You'll be notified via email prior to shipment, and you'll be charged the remainder of your balance once your kit ships. Your Starlink kit will arrive with your Starlink Wi-Fi router, power supply, cables, and mounting tripod. For more information or to cancel your order, sign in to your Starlink account. And you can sign into your Starlink account by clicking this button down here that, of course, says sign in to my account. So I hope this video was helpful, walking you through the step-by-step process on how you can go about ordering Starlink internet and reserving your place in line at this point in time. Thanks for stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.